Dear students, welcome back. Let us begin a new day by asking the blessing from the Almighty. Today we'll continue with the same chapter. Which one? Chapter 9, Data Handling. Second chapter. In the second lecture, chapter 9, Data Handling, second lecture. The first lecture we have seen tabulation, tally marks, table, how to organize data, the collection. When we are collecting some data, how to organize, handling the data, how to organize it, and the tally marks. Table also we learn to prepare a tabulation in a special way. Table, how to make handle that particular data in a systematic way. Today, new important, another very interesting thing, pictograph. What is that? Pictograph. What is this pictograph? The definition is given. A pictograph, page number 189. Page number 118. A pictograph represents the data through pictures of objects. This helps us the question of the data at a glance. The pictograph represents through the pictures. Pictograph is representing through the pictures. Now we will take two examples from the textbook, example 3 and 4. And example 3, the following pictograph shows the number of absentees in a class of 30 students during a previous week. Class में एक class में 30 student है. 30 student में daily कितना student absent है. पता है क्लास में तो कोई तो डेली तो एब्सेंट होगा, कोई दिन कोई नहीं होगा, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. सो टेबल देखिए, मंडे यहाँ हमने एक कॉलम बनाया है. पहले कॉलम में डेज लिखा है, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे. सेकंड कॉलम में नंबर ऑफ एब्सेंटीज, जो जितना स्टूडेंट नहीं आया है, देखो 1 2 3 4 5 जो स्टूडेंट्स का जो पिक्चर रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर रहा है इधर. एक स्टूडेंट है. आपका टेक्स्ट बुक में सिर्फ हेड दिया है, तो सर ने तो पूरा जो बोई है तो पूरा फिगर बना दिया. ठीक है. सो 1 2 3 4 5 boys here, and here 1 2 3 4 boys, here 1 2 boys. So Monday 1 2 3 4 5 boys are absent. So this, look at here, this figure, this picture is representing the one absentee. One picture represents one absentee. So how many absentees, how many pictures you can see here? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So you can, Monday there are 5 students absent. Okay. Now what about Tuesday? अब इसमें देखिए 1 2 3, you can see 4 pictures. That means one picture represent one absentee. Okay, here it is not लिखा है, देखिए ना आपने. One picture represent one student. One picture, one boy represent one absentee. So here Tuesday 1 2 3 4 pictures are there. So there were 4 absentees there. So Wednesday only 2 pictures, that means 2 absentees were there. And Thursday no picture at all, कोई picture नहीं है उधर. So that means everybody is present. All the students were present in Thursday. So that means no absent is 0. Then Friday 1. Then Saturday 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh, there are 8 lazy students on Saturday. Okay. So that way we can easily identify the the facts, the number of absentees from this pictograph. So there are certain questions given, A, B, C, 3 questions were given. On which day where the maximum number of students absent? आप बताइए, आप टीचर देखो. On which day the maximum number of students were absent? Look at the table. Maximum number of students, you can see from the picture, 8 students were absent on Saturday. 8 students were absent on Saturday. And which day had full attendance? कौन सा दिन में full attendance था? That means no absentees on that particular day. Which day? Thursday. No absentees. So that means Thursday, full day. And everybody is present. And what was the total number of absentees in that week? Absentees, total number of absentees. Monday 5, Tuesday 4, Wednesday 2 absentees, and Thursday nobody, and Friday 1, and Saturday 8. So 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11, 12 plus 8. So 20. There were 20 absentees. Okay. So it's very easy to identify. So you please look at this example 4. The colors of fridges preferred by the people living in locality area shown by the picture drawing. अमुक लोगों ने फ्रिज लेने हैं ना, फ्रिज हम घर पर फ्रिज कर देते हैं, तो अमुक लोग पर्टिकुलर कलर पसंद कर रहे हैं, कोई ब्लू पसंद कर रहा है, कोई ग्रीन पसंद कर रहा है, कोई रेड पसंद करेगा, कोई व्हाइट पसंद करेगा, ठीक है। तो जो कलर का हिसाब से लोग फैमिली साथ में जाएगा, पापा मम्मी और सब साथ में जाएगा फ्रिज खरीदने के लिए, तो बोलेगा हाँ मुझे ये कलर पसंद है, मुझे ब्लू कलर पसंद है, ग्रीन पसंद है, और कलर का अपना जो कलर पसंद है उसी हिसाब से हम फ्रिज लेगा, ठीक है ना। फ्रिज हो, कार हो, जो भी है तो कलर तो देखेगा, है ना। एवरीबडी हैज एन आइडिया अबाउट द कलर। सो ये जो फ्रिज पर्टिकुलर लोकेलिटी में जो कलर है ब्लू कलर वाला, कितना नंबर ऑफ पीपल 1 2 3 4 5, देखिए ब्लू कलर में 1 2 3 5 पीपल का पिक्चर दिया गया, 5 पिक्चर दिया है, 5 पीपल 1 2 3 4 5। ग्रीन कलर 1 2 3, रेड कलर 1 2 3 4 5 वाले हाफ, करेक्ट आधा है, देखिए आधा ही है, ठीक है ये आधा ही। व्हाइट 1 2, बट हियर look at here and the top here it is represent one people, one picture represent how many people, 10 people। यहाँ one people one option मिला, इसलिए 1 2 3 4 5 हमने मिला है। यहाँ one picture represents how many people, 10 people। एक पिक्चर 10 आदमी का समान है। हमारा यहाँ जो आपने एक पिक्चर लगाया है वो 10 आदमी को समान है। तो 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 10s are 50, okay 50 people, 5 10s are 50, क्योंकि एक पिक्चर इक्वल टू 10 पीपल है ना, एक इधर ऊपर दिया है एक पिक्चर इक्वल टू, so 5 पिक्चर 5 10s are 50, okay you can write 5 into 10 equal to 50। 1 2 3 that means 3 into 10 equal to 30। 1 2 3 4 5 and a half, that means 5 into 10 equal to 50 plus 5 equal to 55। यहाँ 2 into 10 equal to 20। समझ में आया आपको? ये 55 कैसे आ गया? 1 2 3 4 5 and a half picture here, 5 full picture is there, 1 half picture is there, so 1 picture stands for 10 people, so half picture stands for 5 people, so 5 and a half 55 fridges। So from this table it is observed that there are 50 students likes blue color। 1 2 3 4 5 पिक्चर है, 5 आदमी है, 5 पीपल का पिक्चर दिया है, एक पीपल का पिक्चर का इक्वल टू 10 पीपल है, तो 5 पिक्चर इक्वल टू 5 10s are 50, so the 50 people likes blue color। then that 3 pictures are there, 3 into 10 30 people like green color, 5 and a half picture is there, so 55 students red color, and white is prepared by very few people, only 20 people, 20 families prepared a white color, prefers white color। So this is the condition, okay। So dear student, very interesting, so please complete this for your homework। So first of all please write down the heading pictograph, then write the definition on page number 189। a pictograph represents the data through pictures of various objects, then please complete example 3 4 5 6 and exercise 9.1 also, okay exercise and 9.1, and next day next lecture we'll meet you with the bar graph, this is pictograph, and the next lecture we'll be discussing about bar graph is also very interesting। Before that please complete your homework neatly and correctly, okay, send to me, take care, bye bye।